Okay, today we're all gonna be so lonely. Hey, what do you want, G-Man? Of course you did. I want to skip. Oh no. Haha. Nowhere to run. What's coming? Whatever is coming. You're welcome. Hey! You fright! What? You cannot injure me. Oh look! What? Oh! Hey you break! I'll catch you. I'm gonna go catch you, bitch. No way. Here, take this. No, not for you. Come here. Oh my! I missed. Oh. Hey, look. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yahoo! Oh no. He's affected again. Oh. Oh my shit. Not again. You. You're mine. Oh. Take this, you daddy. Leave our daddy alone. What the? Ah. You. I missed it. Hi. Give me a leg. You. I don't have hand anymore. Hello, little cartoon, little camera. Ah! Hey, come back. Give me nope. Yes. Give me rope. Hey, leave our brother alone. Oh, slap that ass. Slap that ass too. Not again, you brought me God, you piece of shit, you. Only your head will die. Or this, come here. Spencer, hi. Oh, I will survive. What is this? No. Wait. He's a piece of shit eater. I hate this place. Now die, you camera woman. Now what do you think, huh?